Hi people, it is Nettie. I am so happy it started raining. Look at those clouds. I thought it was all Sahara Desert dust because I got up like always with my throat. You hear me my voice changes because my nose gets stuffy. So I figured, oh my God, but with the rain, all that Sahara Desert will go down to the floor, and it'll be a healthy way of breathing. So saying that, look at my corianders. They are looking great. You know, they started to get big. I noticed that. Look how big they're getting. So I probably don't have to go back there to get big juicy corianders. I just stay right here. Plus I was hoping it was raining. I was getting tired of using that hose to water them up. So what I did also was, here you see my, right there, that's my basil. Is a wiki basil. I've been trying to see how I could help it out. So I've been, the first thing I did was pull it out that corner so it could get rain. And I think it's getting rain because you feel little spots over here. I can't put it in this side because I got that. I don't know if to put my orchids. No, my almost dying orchids right there. So I don't know if I should put that, but the thing is I had this covered, you know, and with this bag. So I pushed all the bag back so it could get all that rain, because the best thing for plants is natural rain. Yes, natural rain. You know, if that comes from the sky. I call it, water does okay, but I think that they grow like crazy. Haven't you noticed, like, you mown the lawn, you know, you got it all beautiful and everything, and like we did over there in that corner there, by 2 days you're gonna see that pack again, you know. So it's like you cut it and it grows, you cut it and it grows, and I call it, that's the bad part about the rain. After Maria, we caught, for some reason, there's a lot of, I gotta look for the word, getting more healthier, since they need strength. Look at this. I almost cut this plant right there, this stick. I was trying to cut it, but I noticed it was kind of chubby, and when it gets chubby, it's because it's having a baby. So there she got a baby. I'm gonna wait for her roots to be nice and good. Then I'm gonna take it out and put it somewhere here, or I'll open another group of how you call it, orchids. Yes, orchids. I don't know why I keep forgetting. So I haven't broken this one, the other one either, this one, because I gotta wait to see if that's gonna give, because it has a little lump in the top, right there in the top. You see that little lump? It has 2 lumps virtually. But that usually those lumps usually says they're gonna have babies. So I'm not gonna move it. I'm gonna put it on the outside like that so she could get wet. The baby, she'll enjoy that. So saying this, I don't know why I'm talking so much, blah 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 blah. But anyway, I'm in a happy mood because it is raining. God bless you all. Until next time, bye.